This was my grandfather. He worked his whole life, since he was a child, in his parents' grocery store. Then he became a traveling salesman, journeying across the country, and when he retired, he could only keep working. I rarely saw him rest. He was always cleaning, taking care of his pets, or working in the patio. When he was alive, this garden looked very different. He didn't talk much. He was shy. But he was happy when I listened to him talk about how he cared for the garden. These are his pruning shears. Now they are rusty, dull, and I wanna try, if I can, to make them work again, to continue the work he left behind. He who never stopped working. It's not about making them perfect. It's a conversation, a way of saying that the things my grandfather cared for, the work he did, has not been entirely swallowed by time.